The Arts and Culture Department is mulling to erect a lifestyle statue of Meghalaya freedom fighter Tirot Singh in Dhaka in the Indian Embassy complex. Informing this, the Minister in charge of Art and Culture Department, Sanbor Shulai, said that he will write to the Indian Embassy in Dhaka, and once the place is finalized and when they get a green signal from the Ministry of External Affairs, he will go personally along with the relatives of Tirot Singh to inspect the area. Notably, the Meghalaya government had also decided recently to erect life-size statues of three prominent freedom warriors, Tirot Singh Aim, Patagon Sangma and Ukyang Nangba, at State Central Library in Shillong. The estimated cost of the construction of the three statues is 30 lakhs.
Ngitan Art Ligi Cultural Center. Kawai kadai kabala kamrim, but kawai kabari wat mai. Te immediately lara iru bikin aim yang sakawai ka dihulentan na kaliang jonga, bakin identify. Hey bakin aim, lah kabarim ne albat mai. Te kata kadai kawai ka bangar sapa na immediately ka dihulentan kang bakin aino identification official identification ya ka jaka. Te naladep nang tu kemudian gin sara pada ka second step pan gin sara pada ka sapo ya ka DPR Dr. Jesse Shankar Ji Union Minister of External Affairs
To commemorate